Yes, good morning students. Let us start today's online class. And once more I am starting grammar. Actually, in previous lecture we have already studied about the clause and phrase, and I think this is important here to revise once more so that it can be recapped in your mind. If you are not understanding it properly, so you may get a problems, so that you have to pay attention properly about the clause, because it is little bit tough. So I will try to make it easy, and you also have to try to understand it properly. Just like in lesson number 9 and 10, combinedly I am taking this one. In lesson number 9, what is given here? Noun clause. Noun clause is given here. Just like noun clause does the work of a noun in a complex sentences. As if there is a complex sentence, so the noun clause works as a, here what is noun as a, here this is work of a noun here, means the group of words which is having its own definite work, subject also. It works as a subject in a sentence, it works as a noun in a complex sentence. There are the following kinds of uses of the clause, noun clause. Just like number 1, the subject of a verb, means noun clause is used in a complex sentence as the subject of a verb, means these are the types here. Number 2 is here the object of a verb. Sometimes this clause in a complex sentence is used as the subject of a verb, and secondly the object of a verb. Number 3 is here the object of a preposition. Sometimes this group of words in a complex sentence is used as the object of a preposition. And fourth one is here, what is complement of a verb. This is also used here as a complement of a verb, and it makes meaningful sense. Or next one is here apposition of. We can write here fifth number. Fifth number we see here apposition of a noun and pronouns. We use here apposition of a noun or pronouns. We use here. We use to these type of the parts. These types of the functions perform in a complex sentence. So we can study it properly. Means what are the uses of noun clause in a complex sentence. Students, you know, there is in clause there are two parts, main clause and subordinate clause. In main clause, the subject means it is approximately having a meaningful sense, but subordinate clause is depending on a main clause to complete its meaning. I am going to give you next some examples of it, so you have to study it properly.